Here's a video how to actually put the hub into the actual housing. What you're going to need is a tubular piece of metal like this. This is out of a wheel bearing kit. So what you want is something that's going to cover and slide over that. Obviously it's not going to touch this, because if this part gets damaged your wheel won't go on. That needs to sit on like that, nice and free. You want the force to the centre, not the actual centre of this, like the outside. So you want to come over to your 20-ton press and then sit that upside down so it's like that. And then you want to get one of these out of the bearing kit and sit it so it's over, just under the actual lip of the bearing. So that's your actual hub. So that's going to sit there like that. Then what you want to do is press onto the actual hub, and while you're pressing, just turn this so it's even. Just keep turning it and pumping at the same time until it actually beds. You'll see it like bed into this, and then it won't want to go anymore, and then that's when you stop, and you'll have your hub pushed into your bearing. So it'll be all ready. That will just them clicking in. And it'd be nice and smooth, won't be any play in it, and that's it.